surprise. Many happy returns of the day. I hope you have an amazing day with me tomorrow and you have this fantastic year ahead. I want to wish you all the best in life and I want all your dreams to get fulfilled and that you always stay blessed. This is my birthday present to you. I really thought this over and I hope you really like it. Sit around, se, enjoy. Love you too much. Mwah. Have a great day.
मैं नॉर्थ में आया, मेरे को बहुत प्यार मिला, बहुत फेम मिला, मैं बहुत खुश। मैं चाहता है ये खुशी आपके साथ भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने का, इसलिए हैप्पी बर्थडे और बहुत खुशी आपको मिले और जन्मदिन मुबारक हो। बाय बाय।
Humor Yaron, I hope that reminds you of something. I think it was on one of your birthdays in from Ikhattar. So if you remember, yeah, you guys got pretty buzzed, and then we went to Ruby's Tuesday for your birthday celebration. And by the time all of us left, we were all very happy, so to speak. And and I still remember you were ready to buy the world for the lads. You're like, "Arey jhumo yaro, aaj to mera birthday hai." And then in the parking lot, the guy was asking for the parking ticket. And you were like, "Kaun hai aadmi? Khareed lo isko. Kitne rupe chahiye isko?" So I hope you have another one of those crazy birthdays and you have a great year ahead. And I hope we meet more often. But nonetheless, we have kept in touch one way or another. So that's that, and have a good day and a good year, and wish you all the very best. Happy birthday. Cheers.
Hello Raju, happy birthday brother, and I'm going to make this video in Hindi because I cannot speak English more. It's too much so yeah. मेरे को एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा किलर सीन याद आ रहा है अभी, जो है जब हम लोग, मैं, एबी और ऋत्विक तेरी गाड़ी लेके कुछ लेने गए थे, तेरे को याद होगा। और 3 दिन से E71 में बिल्कुल पानी नहीं था और मतलब सीन हो रखा था सब लोगों का। और हम गए पता नहीं कहाँ पूरी दिल्ली घूमने के बाद हम जाके बजे वही हरोला। और वापस जब सब कुछ करके मैं और एबी खत्म एकदम, पैसे नहीं कुछ नहीं, वापस आए तो तू गा रहा था पोएट्स ऑफ द फॉल का गाना, मेरे को अभी तक याद है। Kill sweet desire, faith in the fire, can you run? भाई खून उबलना जिसे कहते हैं वो हुआ था, मजाक नहीं है। लेकिन फिर अंदर गए और सब कुछ छोड़ के कंबल भाई गलत सीन बहुत मिस करता हूँ यार, बहुत ही ज्यादा अलग ही दिन थे वो भी। पर कोई नहीं, एक दिन वापस करेंगे और बर्थडे पे पागल होना, क्रेजी एकदम। मतलब अगर पॉसिबल हो तो यहाँ पे आ जा, कोई सीन नहीं है, यहाँ पर भी बहुत ही क्रेजी सीन कर सकते हैं।
Hi Rajat, happy birthday. I've known you since I was 7 years old. I remember coming to your house with Anshuman in Sarojini Nagar, and as far back as I can remember, I've always looked up to you. You've treated me like a little brother, taught me how to play FIFA, poker, and a bunch of other things that I'm really grateful for. Have an amazing day and a year ahead. Hope you like the surprise.
Salam, Sat Shri Akal and Namaste to everybody who's sitting next to you. I'm sure you're surrounded by friends and family. So hi all. I wanted to have the whole background of Volcano Pacaya in Guatemala, but unfortunately I ran out of batteries, man, and I couldn't find a single freaking charger in the whole jungle. Without wasting much time, I got a lot to think about our times that we've spent, and it's such an eventful journey, man. I think in 2002 we met and became really good friends, and for me our relationship has just grown exponentially since then. I want to share some of the moments and thoughts that make me realize that how wonderful you are as a person and even better as a friend. Well, obviously I'm going to start with Chipik. So I mean, it was such a great time when we formed Forbidden Village. I think at the time I was more motivated to form a band with you rather than just forming a band at all. And there was just something very different about forming a band together, man. And tell me if we didn't do it in style. I mean, we killed it, really. Unlike you, I wasn't blessed with extraordinary musical talents, but you showed a great amount of confidence in me, which I think went a long way in for me to evolve as a musician and even for us to exist as a band. So thanks a lot, man. 4 years of making music, jamming, performing live, traveling for gigs, yada. I mean, what a rare experience. And I mean, I'm so happy that I've done it with you. I couldn't have found a better partner in crime, man. Anyway, moving on. I think I've learned a lot from you. Be it sports, be it studies, be it music, be it attitude, be it personality, be it good habits, principles, anything and everything. You've never stepped back from teaching me something new or sharing your knowledge and wisdom, and above all, sharing Auntie ka bana ekdam jhakas khana. I love your food, Auntie. I still miss it. Anyway, coming back to Raju, I really value all that I've learned from you, and I think you should really feel proud of yourself for making any other human being feel like that. I mean, in this case, I feel so great that I have a friend like you. Last but not the least, I want to share some of the qualities that make you one in a million. I think anyone who ever came across you in the life must have felt the warmth, the love, affection, kindness, and positive vibrations. Your presence has always been very comforting for me, and I'm very sure that it's the same for anybody around you. You have a big heart, you have a gentle soul, and you have an amazing personality, man. And above all, the most important quality that you have is your sense of humor. Don't lose it. Keep evolving. I think for 8 years we've kind of evolved together. Now we might have went separate directions, but anyway, it was a pleasure being with you, man, all the time, all these years. And I just want to sign out by saying that I will always cherish the time that we've spent together, and I always look forward to more such times. So happy birthday once again, and a big shout out to Divya. Divya, great job. And she's worked pretty hard on the video, and I'm glad that Raju, that you have such a partner. And I'll see you all very soon in India. Keep you posted on my plan, and would love to meet all of you. So take care, bye bye, and see you soon. Bye, Raju.
Have a safe, prosperous, and smoke-free birthday. Whose birthday? Raju? Today? Bro, you're one of the best guy I know, and I believe that today is going to be your best birthday ever till date. I also hope that our wishes will bring a smile on your face, because we all love you so much, and we just want you to stay the same and enjoy full power like you always do. So happy birthday once again, and love you, bro.
Hi Rajat, happy birthday, man. I really wish I was there, and I know you must be throwing a grand party. You're just the most amazing guy and the best host, and everything is more fun with you, be it sports or FIFA or poker or other stuff that we do. So I just wishing you a happy birthday again and a great year ahead. Cheers, man.
Happy birthday, Poker Brat. I hope this is the beginning of most amazing year of your life, and please don't play poker today. Take your girl out somewhere nice and just have fun. Happy birthday, bro.
Hi Raju, happy birthday. I'm sorry I couldn't be there, but I'll see you soon when I come back. Wish you all the luck and success in the world. You deserve it. I'll see you soon, brother. I miss you. You're the best. Ekdam number one. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Rajat. Have an awesome day and year ahead. Your girlfriend's going through a lot of trouble with this surprise. I hope you like it. And you're an amazing person. So stay the way you are. Don't change for anyone. I've known you for quite a while now. You've irritated me, bugged me, fought with me, but you've always been my pillar of strength. And you've always been there for me before I've even asked you to be there for me. So thank you for that, and you have a great day, and you have an amazing year ahead. May all your dreams come true. Lots of love.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, Rajat.
Happy birthday, Rajat.
We love you tons. And Divya, that's really, really sweet of you to be doing what you are. We love you, Rajat. Mwah. Raju ban gaya gentleman.
Hi Rajat Bhaiya, happy birthday. God bless you. Cheers. Make sure you get drunk.
Hi Rajat.
Hi Divya. Happy birthday.
Wish you very happy birthday
अभी आप
Rajat.
ऊपर ही बैठे हो रूम में.
और यार तेरी बंदी ने मेरा वीडियो कलर वाला रिजेक्ट कर दिया. अब इसलिए थोड़ा बड़ा वीडियो बना रहा हूँ.
Happy birthday, Rajat. Go stop laughing.
Hi Raju. Happy birthday.
Hey, Guga. Ira.
Ira, happy birthday. Say happy birthday, Chachi.
Ira. Hi. Ira. I do. Ira. One smile.
And a flying kiss.
Thank you, see here.
Flying kiss here.
Smile.
She's not interested.
Bye, Rajat. Happy birthday. Hey, Tata, Tata.
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 Tata.